lods, pagmasdan mo yung mag-ama mga lods. Yung ama busy kakatingin sa cellphone, ay yung anak busy rin kakakain. Ayan, may sasawan sila. Mukhang ayan manggang kinakain na mangga. Ayan tabi pa yung mag-ama Yan yung mga lods. Kinuha ng bata ang sasawan. Aray, hindi na na-shoot yung kinain ng ama ni Burlasoy. Tuwang-tuwa yung anak ni Burlasoy Sinawsaw na sa tiles guys. Ayan na yung mga balahibo sa aso nakain na Wala, stick kasi busy kasi Ayan, nakita niya. Aroy, takbo.
It's a Dove Deo, new Dove deodorant serum with 3% niacinamide and 10 times collagen. Bye. For even toned and radiant underarms. Dove. This serve.
Ganda ng hair! Mag-long hairstyle tayo for the show. Abot ko ba hair ko? Let's grow it! Sunsilk Strong and Long with aloe vera, biotin, and castor oil. For hair that's 3 times stronger and vigorous as it grows long. Amazing! Sunsilk!
Pag mom ka, you want to give 100% nourishment? Kaya with Lacto-Free Plus. 34 days with Lacto's highest level of DHA. Tulong para 100% nourish ang brain, immunity, at bones. Panakalap mo sa Lacto-Free Plus. Nagulat ka ba?